Welcome back to Culinary Museum, where artistry meets flavor. I'm Chef Mohamed Abdell, and today we are crafting a dish that captures the essence of land and sea in a single bite. So now we will do the Furikake Lavosh. So first thing is we need the flour first, all-purpose flour. 130 gram flour. 2 gram sugar. And Himalaya salt, 3 gram. Mix it together. Now water, 80 gram. 20 gram olive oil. Now start mix all together. So now we chuck the oyster. Just you hold tight from here. Just you remove the attached muscle to the shell. Dough out. Then now just sprinkle some flour on top of the lavosh. Then we're gonna roll it to really very thin layer. We sprinkle also with the Furikake. Then we keep roll. Then we just cut it into small pieces. Olive oil. And just we arrange the lavosh around 180 degrees for 8 minutes. Now we cut the tenderloin. Then we cut into, we turn it into small brunoise. Now we marinate the oyster meat, yuzu, lime zest, black pepper, and salt. Now the beef tartare, chopped pickled shallot, mustard seed, and seaweed. A drizzle of olive oil, salt, black pepper, and then Furikake spice. And gently we mix all together here. So now we put the oyster shell on the cold stone, marinated oyster meat in, and then the beef tartare on top, pickled shallot. And here we're gonna put the Furikake Lavosh and one more Furikake Lavosh. So now we explain the dish is we have Amish bush is made from oyster. So the oyster is marinated with yuzu and the lime, and then on top we having a tenderloin tartare with the seaweed, mustard, pickled onion, and on a side in here we have lavosh made with the Furikake and lime zest on top. Don't forget to subscribe and share for more fine dining creation every week right here in Culinary Museum by Chef Mohamed Abdell. See you in the next episode.